Wow. Incredible. Look at this fancy stuff. They even got close up there. Yes. Wow, it's pretty cool. It's hot outside now. Woo, baby. This place is unreal. What's this at? Test them, test them. Oh, silky. Feels like Lonnie guy. Silky. First thoughts, everybody here is pretty much wealthy Haole, but it's cool. Ooh, it's humid, feels like Hawaii, but I'm here to check out lots of weddings. My friend Chewy Duran told me that it's seaweed season in summer, so that's that. But look at this, they got a what's it called, like a dinner on the beach. Woo, expensive stuff, man. And this resort is already expensive enough, but I'm gonna jump in and see what the water feels like. Woo, feel the Mexican sand, different part of the world. Feel the power, the history. Seaweed. Woo. Oh, it's warm. Feels warmer than the islands. Oh, the water is warm here. Woo. Feels good. Check it out. It's lukewarm. It's crazy. It almost feels like a lukewarm shower. It's hot. It's not too hot, but it's not like a jacuzzi, but it's warm. This water is warm. It feels so good to be in the natural water, not the chlorine pool at LA Fitness. Feels good. Another thing I noticed is the different kind of animals. The birds, the pigeons were a lot skinnier than the pigeons were a lot skinnier than the ones in America, which is kind of funny, but yeah, it's really cool, new culture. I knew everything. Pretty amazing, big world. I don't know if you're supposed to use a fork for this, but I'm not like these tourists. I don't even know how to pronounce this one. Like Lebanese stew or something, muscala or something like that. But it's good, baby. Man, this is some fine dining, baby. Mopping. Salute. We don't waste here. Mopped it. Don't even know what kind of sauce that is, but mopped it. Wow. Yeah, cute. I forgot pudding. Oh yeah. Okay, day 2. It's about 9 o'clock. Gonna go to a breakfast place. Wow, this place really makes you feel like a king. Oh my gosh. Luxurious. Wild. Oh. This is the entrance. Wow. Incredible. At the beach, oh, it's sweltering, man. Way hotter than the islands. And it's humid, but it's hot. Had to buy some sunscreen, but it's beautiful. I can't wait to jump in the water. Look at that. Nobody here too. Look at this. Beach for miles. We'll walk the beach, see what's up. I don't know if this is real sand or if they imported it, but this stuff is fine. I feel like I'm on a Jamaican island, Pirates of the Caribbean kind of stuff. It's like white sand. Look at that water. Smooth, just like the island. Walking over to the other resort, see what's happening over there. Ah, check that out. Look at this huge ass. It's like a barracuda. Look at it, just chilling right there. Can get under. That sucker was big. Just chilling right on the shore. By the end of this trip, I'm gonna be looking golden brown. I can feel this sun just. Plus I can barely see. I don't want to wear the glasses because I'm gonna have a bad glasses tan, but woo! I want to be golden, crispy like a McChicken, baby. Cancun, wow, what a beach. It's nice, it's hot. Whew. I'm getting toasted. It's like an oven out here, man. But the water is so refreshing. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. I mean, the water is awesome. The pools are nice. Free drinks. It's awesome, dude.
Okay, it's on with the music. So everybody say, uno, dos, tres. There we go. Oh! Let's try it. Hey, show me what you got. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Hey,
it's a wedding, so stayed up late, you know, hang out. And now my head's a little sore. Yeah, but now it's 7 o'clock. We're up early. Everybody's still sleeping. Yeah, it definitely hurts, but it's Mexico. And gotta enjoy the few days I'm here. Smells like Powerade out here, like old Powerade. But dang, beautiful baby. My head is still hurting though. Oh, you can eat.
How's it, Mando?
Valley Boys.